That was a fun rental car. I enjoyed that. Full 5 stars. So I am actually traveling back to Florida today, and I had a shoot in Chattanooga in the Tennessee area. Really fun shoot. I can't wait for you guys to see what it is. Really cool stuff. But as I'm traveling back to Florida today, I was thinking about projects I got going on, photos I got to edit through, and I was thinking that I wanted to make sure you guys are aware of the update in 2023 Lightroom, where they've updated their gradient features to be absolutely insane. Stick around for that. Thank you, appreciate it. I wanted to go ahead and make a quick tutorial for you guys, a Lightroom tutorial, and I just wanted to jump in real quick and show you some of the features that they've updated to the 2023 version of Lightroom. The gradient features where you can select certain parts of your image have improved so much. The AI is absolutely insane. So go into Lightroom, go to your gradient features. You can now select your subject, sky, or background. So I'll just show you. Select subject. It automatically detects the subject now. Before you'd have to manually go in and fill this in. Now I can adjust my subject, the lighting there. I can also go in and select my background and do the same. It automatically detects, and now I can just do that. Again, before you'd have to go in and basically select, more or less, you'd have to select the background. I think there might have been a feature that would sort of do it for you, but it's gotten so much better. You can still, of course, go in and add linear gradients just to kind of help your image pop a little bit. I'm gonna bring that down. We'll go ahead and add another one. Oops, no, I didn't want to do that. Go ahead and add another gradient here, just to kind of make that pop. Maybe add a little blue, just to kind of help the sky stand out just a little bit. The crazy thing is you can go in and you can select people. It'll automatically recognize who the person is. You can select just your face skin, your body skin, eyebrows, eye sclera, whatever that is, iris and pupil, lips, hair, and of course the entire person. The AI in the new update for Lightroom is absolutely insane. It's almost like Photoshop in a way that they're putting into Lightroom. So I love this feature. If you're not using it, you should be. It will speed up your process, and it kind of helps you cut down on the stress of trying to do all the little details. When it does it for you, you can just focus on making your image what it should be. So make sure you are taking advantage of the updated gradient features in Lightroom 2023. All right, guys, I gotta go catch a flight. All right, made it home after a long day of traveling. Again, make sure you take advantage of those gradient updates in Lightroom. They will greatly help. All right, guys, I am going to get home, see my wife and my baby, and I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for traveling along with me today.